Siya pupunta.
Swimming. Malayo.
Iwan ka daw?
Opo.
And how do you feel? What do you feel when he said that to you? Sad?
Sabi ni Daddy. At
Ano?
sabi ko may mga monster.
Monster.
May mga multo pa. White lady.
Iwanan mo ba siya, Daddy?
Siyempre!
Iwanan mo siya?
Saan? Swimming?
Paano yan? Iwan ka daw. What are we gonna do? Ask Daddy what he wants to do. What he wants you to do para hindi ka iwan.
Ano gusto mo gagawa ko pag iwan ako?
Ha?
Ano gusto mo pag iwan ako?
Gusto ko?
Opo.
Gusto ko.
Mamatay ako?
Hindi!
Sabi mo kanina eh.
Sabi ko ba yun?
Opo.
Hindi ah!
Oo nga, sabi mo. Sabi niya wala.
What's your problem, Daddy?
At mahahangry pa ako dun. Mahahangry pa ako dun.
And you're gonna miss your mom.
Sama ka?
No. I'll think about it.
Sama kasi si Imo.
Sama ka, Ren.
Apo! Apo! Apo, gusto ko mag-swimming.
Iwan ka daw, sabi ni Daddy.
Sino?
Ikaw.
Ko?
Hindi ka daw kasama sa swimming.
Eh di hindi ko naman nagkukuha ko. Mamatay na lang ako sa Stardust.
Bakit madami pa siya sa rep?
Eh may mga pagkain dapat iluto eh.
Hindi, you eat it inside the microwave. You don't know how to use the microwave.
Alam ko. Pero nagkakain lang ako toast.
What?
Nagkakain lang ako toast.
Hindi mamamatay ka sa starvation.
Opo.
One day lang naman yun eh. You're not gonna die in starvation.
One day?
One day lang naman silang mag-swimming, di ba?
May mga tao nga. One day sa starvation.
Mamamatay lang tayo sa starvation. Parang matagal pa, 60 days.
Ha?
60 days.
Si Mr. Beast nga. Nakain na agad siya ano niya eh. Don't eat challenge. Nakain na agad for one day.
Kasi marami man siyang money.
No?
Marami siyang money to buy food.
Nakain niya the expensive ice cream in the world.
Wow! Where's that?
USA.
How much?
600K.
Dollars?
Yes.
Wow. It's million in here.
Also, the expensive burger in the world.
Expensive burger in the world.
It's for 2,000
million?
Yes.
Dollars?
Yes.
Oh my god. Is there gold inside the burger?
What?
Is there gold inside the burger?
I
Why
don't
is it so expensive?
By the way, there's eatable gold.
Eatable gold?
Yes.
So you're gonna have a gold inside your body.
No.
And you're gonna have a gold poop.
No. The eatable gold tastes like nothing and just for decoration. It will not be it will not be golden poop isa. You will just normal poop. because the eatable golden will just parang cotton candy. Pag nakain mo,
it will dissolve easily.
Papa.
Okay. I wonder what is the ingredient that it caused that the name expensive, that it is called the expensive burger and ice cream.
Hindi ko pa nakita, hindi nasabing Mr. Beast.
Pero paano yun pag hindi ka kasama sa swimming? You asked Daddy, ba't hindi ka kasama sa swimming?
Bakit hindi ako kasama sa swimming? Dad, bakit hindi ako kasama sa swimming? Dad, bakit hindi ako kasama sa swimming? Bakit hindi ako kasama sa swimming?
Sa?
Swimming.
Swimming? Hindi kasama?
Opo.
Kasi may kuto, di ba?
Bilang pag may kuto
Okay lang ba?
Opo, may mga tao nga may kuto at nagsiswimming pa eh.
You still have kuto ba? Mamaya kutuhan ka ni Mami. Wala naman, lisa lang eh.
Hindi kate.
Mamaya kukutuhan ka ni Mami. What? Why? Why are you crying, my puppy? What?
I'll make you 3 countries that with one president. Me.
You are the president.
You 3 countries
and
one
president only. How can you rule that 3 country?
Because same religion, Christian.
Same religion only?
Yes.
So other religions are not allowed in your country?
Pwede. Pwede naman iba, parang Muslim. Pero baka the new 3 countries will be EDSER. The new 3 countries is EDSER, bagong Bafor.
Bagong Bafor.
At Diyos coming down. The EDSER is the biggest one.
What's EDSER?
EDSER, the 3rd country, the biggest one, and the bagong Bafor is the littlest one. And the ulit yun?
Ewan ko, hindi ko na rin si baby.
At si Jackson. At yung
Jackson.